Marigold or Calendula officinalis belongs to the family of composite plants. Marigolds grow between 60 and 70 centimeters high. Their stems are slightly hairy, and the flower heads are roundish red and orange in color. The diameter of these heads is about 4 centimeters. The flowering period is between June and October, and per flower head it lasts 4 or sometimes 5 days. The fruit of the marigold is not always visually the same. Between ring-like, broad and elongated, everything is possible. The ring-like version is seen most often, and that is why the plant bears this name. It is not known exactly where the marigold really comes from. It can be found all over Europe. However, one guess at its origin goes back to the Mediterranean region. Marigold is also really interesting for gardeners. It is a natural attraction for beneficial insects, and besides, it is a natural defense for pests. The perfect planting time for this is between April and May. Marigolds are considered annual flowers, and they are absolutely harmless to humans and animals. They can be planted in herb gardens, raised beds, or even normal flower gardens. The soil should contain as many nutrients as possible and be nice and loose. Marigolds are hardy and can withstand temperatures as low as -15 degrees. They do protect other plants from pests, but are not completely safe from them themselves. Their biggest enemy is powdery mildew, which forms when the summer is too warm and humid. To prevent this from the beginning, or at least reduce it, be sure to plant them with plenty of space, and it is best to put other varieties of plants between the marigolds as well. However, marigolds are not only pretty to look at, but also find their application in many areas. Starting from seasoning salt for salads and other dishes, but also as a medicinal herb for wound healing, pain of the joints, dry skin, or even eczema. For use on the skin, calendula is often used to make an oil, which is further processed together with other ingredients to make a cream. In addition, calendula has an anti-inflammatory effect. The oil is mixed with cocoa butter and beeswax to make a wonderful ointment that can be used in many different places. Marigolds are absolutely versatile and can also be used as a tea, for example. This is especially healthy for bile, liver, and kidney. Even as a facial tonic or masks you can use them, because for the skin appearance this mild plant is absolutely recommended. As you can see, calendula is a real secret weapon, and everyone who has the opportunity should plant and process it. On the internet you can find really very easy recipes to turn them in all areas. For many centuries, the plant is known almost everywhere and was used by a superstition of young girls before going to sleep as an ointment, because they could thereby allegedly dream of their future husbands.